In our modern age, taking photos has become more accessible than ever before as the advent of smartphones and other smart devices allowed the average person to take a photo whatever they wanted to take a picture of, whenever they wanted, and wherever they wanted it. Technology has come a very long way, and as a result, our societies and economies have changed in accordance. In fact, with our access to the internet, we can even find ways to earn money online simply by utilizing free photos from the internet. If you're curious as to how we can manage something as seemingly unrealistic as that, then go ahead and stick with us in this video. By sticking with us, you're going to be able to find out just how you can do that. This is Daily Payday, the only channel you'll ever need to visit to get the best tips and tricks on how to make money online and easily. Be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get updates on any new upcoming videos, community posts, and more awesome and profitable content and strategies coming your way. Also, don't forget to leave a like because it helps us out just as much as it will help you out in the long run. If you've got any questions or concerns, don't be afraid to leave comments in the comments section of the video down below. Today, we're going to showcase a new way for pretty much anyone like you to earn money using free photos. This method is completely free, and you don't need to invest anything or buy anything. And pretty much anyone in the world can use this method to earn some cash. Are you ready to learn about our exciting new strategy? Well then, how about we get right into it? Sit down, relax, and prepare to learn how to earn. To begin with the video, we'd like to start off by talking to you about some details that you might want to know beforehand. First off, this method can potentially earn you up to $500 for a single photo. Some photos sell for $195. Others sell for around $300 or so. But the highest that we've seen on the site went for $500. That's a lot of money for a little effort. How can you say that it'll only be a little effort? Well, that's because we're going to be sharing a free tool with you that you'll be able to use to maximize your earning potential with this method during the video. So be sure to stick with us and keep watching. Now about your earning potential. It's actually pretty high because this method can be done over and over again, as many times as you want. This method will net you money as many times as you need it. What's more is, because this doesn't require a camera despite it dealing with photos, it's pretty much accessible for almost everyone, and with the tool we mentioned, you'll be making bank with this method pretty quick. We haven't featured this website on our channel before, so this will be a new addition to your money earning opportunities on the net. The good thing about this is that lots and lots of people from all over the globe are earning hundreds of thousands of dollars with this, so it's a pretty tried and tested strategy and website. Before we go on with the video though, would like you to leave a like on the video if you're enjoying it so far and to hit that subscribe button for more updates and money-making strategy videos coming your way. Also, don't hesitate to leave a comment on the video if you have any opinions, ideas for new videos, or even any helpful tips you can use to earn more money as well. Next up, to foster a better sense of direction and flow of ideas in the comments, we're suggesting a topic that you might want to discuss with others in the comments too. Our comment topic suggestion for today is, what is your favorite payment method and why? We're eager to see what you guys have in store and in mind, so don't be afraid to drop a comment down below. And lastly, here's our reminder for you to keep watching our video to the end, because we're going to be sharing a free tool that will help you multiply your earnings from this project. So remember to stick around till the end for that. Okay, let's get back to the video. First order of business before we even get on with the rest of the strategy is to show you the website where you'll be getting work done in only a few minutes, but for absolutely free otherwise. This is the basic tool you'll be using to start getting photos created so that you can make money on the second website we're going to share to you in a bit. In fact, for only a few minutes of your time, you could stand to make hundreds of dollars from using this tool. The time to money conversion rate is pretty up there. Now, before we move on to that second website first, we'd like to show you how you can start making those photos that you'll be making money off first. Let's head on to spark.adobe.com. Spark.adobe.com is a free tool that you can access online, which lets you gain access to hundreds of thousands of different templates and essentially lets you drag and drop features and edits onto it, and basically, it lets you create designs that are quite professional looking. You might be wondering to yourself, what kinds of designs can you actually create using Adobe Spark? To answer that, we can browse the site and get to this spot right here. You'll see that you can create a plethora of designs like flyers, logos, videos, social graphics, banners, and even YouTube thumbnails. Plus, you can even try to apply design filters and animations to your edits to make it that much more unique and allow it to better stand out among the photos that are for sale on the other side. They also feature various other things like the ability to create web pages and short videos too. Those won't be our focus in this video, but it's nice to know just in case you're in need of a tool to create any unique and good-looking websites or any short videos. Our main focus on this video are the photos that we can make pretty easily in only a few minutes to instantly share and earn money from on the website that we're going to share with you later. The best thing about this site is that even if you don't have access to a laptop or computer, you can still do this strategy. Why? Because Adobe Spark actually has its very own app that's available for both Android and iOS devices via the Google Play Store and the App Store respectively. So, even if you're just lazing around in your bedroom on your mattress and you're on your phone, which you most likely are, let's not lie, you can do this right from your bed and make money. Let's start the next steps off by heading on over to spark.adobe.com and clicking on the Start Now. Clicking on that will take you to the registration page where you can fill in the details and go through the registration process to create a free account. From there, you can either sign up through your Google, Facebook, or Apple account, sign up through your email, or sign up via your Adobe ID. Once you've created your account, you'll be redirected to your account's homepage. On this page, you'll be able to browse all of the different templates available to you. You can make use of different graphic designs that you're able to further customize once you've started up the template. Though these templates have done essentially most of the designing work for you, you'll only need to modify the text on your template. This way, you'll be able to make the template your own, and you can make upwards of $100 selling those designs on your second website. You'll notice here that you can also make unique Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, photo collages, even slideshows, and the like on Adobe Spark. You're also able to create flyers, ebook covers, posters, so there are a lot of designs and categories you can earn from. But photos will be our main focus, as previously mentioned. As an example, let's say that we want to make a flyer. We just need to look up flyer on the search bar, then click search. The search will reveal a lot of flyer templates available that you can take advantage of, all of which are high quality and mostly already done for us. Now that we've created a new flyer based on our selected template, all we have to do now is modify the text on the template. This kind of thing is so easy that pretty much anyone can do this. We can also modify other aspects of the template like the colors, font style, and font size among many other customizable parts of the design. From here, you can also include different shapes, shadows, and outlines into your design. Now on the left-hand side, you can change the template you're working with. Once you're done, save it to your computer by clicking on the download button. If you want to remove the watermark on your work, you can make use of something like a snipping tool or any kind of software that can edit photos. With those programs, you can essentially just cut out the watermark at the bottom part of the photo, and you have your finished product right there. Next up, we'll show you the website that will pay you lots of cash for the designs you've created through Adobe Spark. Our second website is Designcrowd Com. Designcrowd is one of the top custom design marketplaces on the web. On this site, people sell their different types of designs like designs for logos, web pages, flyers, even graphics, as well as many others. If we head to the designers section and select graphics designer, we'll see people from all over the globe that are earning money from all of their unique designs. you're going to be joining them. Heading over to the jobs section right here, you can open up the design categories to see jobs that are looking for those specific types of designs. You can submit your designs and start earning money for your designs here. There are new jobs coming in the design crowd all the time, so you'll never run out of opportunities to earn money. Once you've started making money, you can head over to Profile Settings and click on the Payouts button at the left side of the page. From there, select your payout method and enter your payment details. From here, you cash out your earnings. That brings us to the end of the video. If you liked it and the information you learned from it, be sure to leave a like to show us some support and help our channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell because we release videos often, and each one of them is sure to help you earn some extra cash on the side to help you pay for that loan, down payment, mortgage, or any other kind of financial need that you have. Have a good day and we'll see you in the next video.